Hello and welcome class 7 students. Today in this class we are going to start a new exercise from equations. We are going to start problems on equations. As you can see, I have written on the board problems on equations, and we are going to start exercise 20. Sums of exercise 20. Now exercise 20 is based on various problems on equations. So far we have done only the equations, the numerical and the algebraic expressions. Those equations we have already solved, but now from today onwards various classes I will provide you regarding different problems on equation. So let's start the problems on equations one by one. The first sum that we will do today from the subjective type of exercise 20, sum number 1. Sum number 1, it is given that if the sum of two consecutive number be 90, if the sum of three consecutive number. Now what are consecutive numbers? What are consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers are those numbers which comes one after the other. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. 9, 10, 11, 12. All these are consecutive number. Why they are called consecutive number? Because they come one after the other. That is why they are called consecutive number. Now in this problem sums, in this sum number 1 of exercise 20, you have to assume one number and then the consecutive two numbers. That means you have to assume three consecutive numbers. Three imaginary consecutive numbers you have to take. So we don't know what imaginary number we can take, what we can assume. It can be 1, 2, 3, it can be 2, 3, 4, it can be 4, 5, 6, it can be so on like that. Any consecutive number out of so many numbers can be three consecutive numbers. No such hint is given that which one will we assume as the three consecutive number. But one hint is given that the sum of these three consecutive number must be 90. So in that case, what we will assume is, let us take the first number b. Let us take the first number be x. We are assuming the first number as x. Then the consecutive numbers, we have to take three numbers. The first one being x. Then the second consecutive number must be x plus 1. And the third consecutive number must be x plus 2. So these three are the consecutive numbers considered by us. So x plus 1 and x plus 2 are assumed or are taken for assumption as the three consecutive numbers. And it has been told that the sum of these three consecutive numbers will be 90. So according to the problem, x plus 1 plus x plus 2, x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 90. This will be the problem. This will be the equation. Now you have to solve this equation in order to find out the value of x. So here comes x plus x plus x, 3x, 3x plus 3, because 2 plus 1, 3 is equal to 90, or 3x equals to 90 by 3. That is 3x equals to 90 minus 3, or 3x equals to 87. 3x equals to 87. So you have to find out the value of x. 3x equals to 87. So x must be equal to 87 by 3. 87 by 3 means 20 3 9s are 29. So x is equal to 29 very easily we have got. Now we have to find out the other two consecutive number. X we have assumed as the first consecutive number we have assumed as x. X is 29. So x plus 1 must be 29 plus 1, that is 30, and x plus 2 must be 29 plus 2, that is 31. So the three consecutive numbers are 29, 30 and 31. Numbers are 29, 30 and 31. In this way you will solve the sums. This will be the answer of sum number 1. In this way problem sum equations we will solve. Now we will do the immediate next sum of sum number 1, that is sum number 2. Now we will solve the consecutive sums of this exercise one by one. Sum number 2, it is given that if the sum of 3 consecutive number be 60 but 3 consecutive even numbers, the difference of the first sum and the second sum is that in the first sum we have taken 3 consecutive number, but in the second sum we are going to assume 3 consecutive even number. That is, if the first number is 2, second number will be 2 plus 2 and third number will be 2 plus 4 and fourth number will be 2 plus 6. Even number you have to add. So 3 consecutive number, if I consider the first number as x, then the other 2 consecutive even numbers must be consecutive numbers must be x plus 2 and x plus 4, because we are trying to get the 3 consecutive even numbers, not the 3 consecutive numbers. So according to the problem, what has been told in the sum is x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 60. This is the equation and you have to solve this equation. So how will you solve this? X plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals to 60, or 3x plus 2 plus 4 will be 6 is equal to 60, or 3x is equal to 60 minus 6, or 3x equals to 57, or x equals to 57 by 3. 57 by 3 means 3 ones are 3 and 3 27. Oh sorry, this is not 57, this is coming 54. So 3 ones are 3 and 24. 3 8s are 24. So 18 is the first consecutive even number. So first consecutive even number we are getting is 18, because x equals to 18. So first number is 18. Second one will be x plus 2, that is 18 plus 2, that means 20. And third number will be 18 plus 4, that is x plus 4 means 18 plus 4, that is 22. So the 3 consecutive number will be 18, 20 and 22. As you can see, they are even consecutive number. So in this way we will try to solve the problem sums given in exercise 20. Now in my next video I will come up with 2 more important sums. Till then, goodbye.